Hello everyone. So for today's session, we will be learning how to get the measure of the exterior angles of a given polygon. So what is an exterior angle? We define exterior angle as an angle that is formed between any side of the polygon and a line extended from the next side. So, for today's video, we will be focusing on the regular polygon. And as we all know, when we say regular polygon, this is a polygon that is equilateral, meaning to say all the sides are equal, and equiangular. That means all the angles are equal, such as a square, equilateral triangle, and many other polygons. So first, we have here a triangle. If you are going to extend the side of this triangle here, you can form or you have there the angle formed. Next, and that is what we call an exterior angle. If you are going to extend this side, another angle formed. Here, if you are going to extend this side of a triangle, you have there an angle formed. Here. So, as we all know that to get the interior angle of a given triangle, this is the formula. We have n minus 2 multiplied to 180 divided by n. So the number of sides of our given triangle is 3. The number of sides of triangle is 3. So substitute 3 minus 2 times 180 degrees divided by 3. We have 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 times 180 degrees divided by 3. 180 we have divide by 3. So the interior angle of our triangle is 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. So to get the exterior angle, going back to our figure, first figure, we are going to subtract 180 degrees because this is already a linear pair. Okay, this angle. A linear pair, as we all know, this is measures 180 degrees. That's why we subtract 60 degrees, which is the interior angle, to 180 degrees, and we have 120 degrees. Meaning to say our exterior angle is 120 degrees. Same also on the other angle, 120 degrees, and here 120 degrees. And the measures of all angles of our exterior angles is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, next example, we have a square, one of a polygon, which is one example, of a quadrilateral, a square with 4 sides. Again, if you are going to extend this side, you have there an angle formed. That is what we call the exterior angle. Next. Here, if you are going to extend this side, another angle formed. Here, if you are going to extend, you have there the angle formed. And also in this side. So the same formula, to get the exterior angle, we are going to get first the interior angle of one angle of this polygon. So substituting to this formula, our n is 4, which refers to the side. 4 minus 2 times 180 divided by 4. We have 4 minus 2 is 2 times 180 divided by 4. We have 360 divided by 4, meaning to say we have 90 degrees. Our interior angle is 90 degrees. The same thing, this angle interior angle is 90, we are going to get the exterior angle. Since they are linear pair, meaning to say the measures is 180 degrees. So we are going to subtract 180 minus 90 degrees. So you have the exterior angle, 90 degrees. Meaning to say, each exterior angle measures 90 degrees. Here, also 90 degrees, 90 degrees, and also 90 degrees. Okay. So since we have four angles, you are going to multiply 90 times 4 is 360 degrees. This is the measure of the exterior angles of our square or our quadrilateral. So measure of each exterior angle of a polygon. So we have here the figure for the pentagon. And the pentagon means 5 sides. As you can see, if you are going to extend all the sides, you have the angles formed outside. That is the exterior angles. So we are going to use the formula. The formula is 360 degrees divided by n. Our n refers to the number of sides. Okay? So since pentagon has 5 sides, so 360 degrees divided by 5, the sides, we have 72 degrees. Okay, next example, we have the decagon. The decagon has 10 sides. So again, we divide only the number of sides I mean, which is 10 to our 360 degrees. So 360 degrees divided by 10, our number of sides, we have 36 degrees. Meaning to say, each angle of the exterior angle of our polygon, of decagon I mean, measures 36 degrees. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.